Hi, my name is Gabe Rogel.
And I'm Marcus Caston, and we're here at the Blizzard booth at the Outdoor Ski Show. And so I just wanted to tell you a little bit about my favorite touring skis. For the last couple of years I've been using both the Zero G 95s and the Zero G 108s. So same ski, Zero G 108, just a little fatter. So I've been using those on like maybe shorter days or maybe days where the snow is a little more chopped up, so it's like plows through it. Then on the deep days, the snow, when it snows good, you're trying to go far, the 9.5 is a little bit lighter, and I think a little bit more playful in soft snow. So depending on both great skis, but depending on the day, I'll pick one over the other. But if you're looking for a touring ski, the ski's great also. You gotta go uphill, of course. You gotta be light, you gotta be, but it's gotta ski down. So Zero G's friggin' awesome.
Is this what you wear when you're going uphill?
Yeah.
This is the outfit?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Got my hikers on, just so everybody knows. That I'm a hiker.
All right.
Super outdoorsy.
And what was your name again?
Oh, I'm Marcus Caston.
All right, Marcus, what is your favorite channel?
That would be Ski Gear TV.
All right. Well, thanks for the interview. I know you're a busy guy. Whoa, yeah, it's on the camera. All right, thanks so much.